Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make HD videos in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is to open your project, and basically it will be by clicking on the file menu and then go to new projects or open a project. After that, you will be able to start adding footage to your timeline. So basically you will be needing like to add videos, images, etc. So to have like HD videos, first make sure that your footage is already like in a HD resolution. So simply make sure that your videos are already in HD resolution and that your images are also in HD resolution. That means uh, when they are zoomed or whatever, they don't get pixelized. After that, you will be needing like just to simply export your video. So after that, you have add everything. You will have, for example, text in your video, etc. So I'm just going here, and you might have like some text, and this is that will be like a big text or whatever you have in the video. So now simply you will be needing just to go to the export menu, and I'm just going to click on create a video. So now you will make sure to simply go to the higher resolution. So the lower the quality, the lower the resolution. So as you can see, all you will be needing like to simply choose your resolution. And each the resolution is this one. So the basically this is just for my aspect ratio, and for the computer aspect ratio it will be like 1960 I think, and basically it will be on that. And you will start like just choosing the resolution. Make sure to use the good time frame or the frame rate uh, that is compatible with your videos on the footage, etc. And make sure to have like higher quality, and basically you will export, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.